Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to enable and how to adjust the voice guidance on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Here you need to find the gear icon. It should be located at the bottom of the screen. As you can see now, you've got access to the system settings. So if you are in the different sections, all you need to do is just tap the first section on the left, and then let's select the second option, which is the volume settings. So here you've got a few volume adjustments that you can make, and one of them is voice guidance. So here you can enable the voice guidance by using this switcher, and right now you just enable the voice guidance. What's more, you can also adjust the voice guidance volume. As you can see right here, you can
The voice guidance will be heard at this volume.
You can also check out this voice guidance. You can, for example, use it really quiet.
The voice guidance will be heard at this volume.
And this is the highest volume of this voice guidance.
The voice guidance will be heard at this volume.
In my case, let me put it somewhere in the middle.
The voice guidance will be heard at this volume.
Alright, so that's it. So here you can adjust those voice guidance settings. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.